ICARDA is an institution that focuses in water for agriculture and also for special conditions of lands and water and soil. It has a huge experience and it has an exploration to a different part of the world, especially similar to what we have in Egypt. And the accumulated experience and the knowledge that it has is really very beneficial for us. And collaboration in doing research projects and also tackling the challenges that we are facing jointly and join the effort, benefit from the experience they have. And I think we have also a huge experience in collaborating with ICARDA. So building on that and strengthening the relation allow us really to see that the impact that we are going to make together in solving problems and facing challenges will be positive enough to allow us to say that it's a success story in collaborating with ICARDA. And of course, this is a way to face problems for collaborative research, joint effort, and integrating among us and using the experience of our institutions.